Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Fx-570ms and confirming comp mode so you get direct numeric results. Press the number keys to enter the value you will take the log of, for example type 100. Once done, press Shift then the log key to call log base 10 or press ln for the natural logarithm. Make sure the input cursor shows the full number before confirming. If you need a base other than 10 or e, prepare the second operand for the change of base step next. You continue by applying the change of base formula when the calculator lacks a direct base key. Enter the argument a, then press Shift plus log or ln to wrap it as log a. Next, press the division sign and enter the base b, then again Shift plus log or ln to form log b. Once the expression reads log a divided by log b, press equals to evaluate. Make sure parentheses are balanced if you chain operations, because the Fx-570ms evaluates strictly. You finish by pressing equals and reading the numeric result. That completes the log calculation. If the display shows an error, check the mathematical constraints. The argument must be positive, the base must be positive and not equal to 1. Once done, make sure you use the same function, log versus ln, in both numerator and denominator for change of base. If keystrokes are wrong, press DEL or AC to clear and re-enter the values carefully to avoid mismatched parentheses or stray operators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.